Steph, what should buyers prepare for before they even make an offer on a property, in your opinion?
Get the finances in order.
Yeah.
Get to the lender, get their mortgage offer in principle beforehand. If they have got a gift or they've had some money as a gift, be prepared to have to provide lots of information to your solicitor about this gift. Even if you've had that money in your account for a little while, it still is a gift. So your solicitor will ask you for 6 months bank statements. They'll ask you for pay slips. Try and get as much information as you can. If you've had the gift because of an inheritance, make sure you've got some paperwork to prove that. You will get asked for this. And the solicitor won't be able to accept any monies from you until you've passed these tests. And that's all part of the sort of onboarding process, which we tend to call it now. One of those parts of that is your ID. Most will ask you to do an electronic ID with your passport on live. Onboarding can take some time, so just make sure you get your solicitor instructed early to get all that out of the way as well.
And why should a client pay an estate agent for AML checks and the solicitor for AML checks?
That question is asked quite a lot, and I don't really know the answer to that. But I do know from a solicitor's point of view, we're not allowed to rely on a third party's ID AML check. So we have to carry out our own.
Yeah, and believe it or not, we're not allowed to rely on the solicitor's one either.
And similarly for the proof of funds, a lot of people will provide that information to their mortgage lender and then they have to provide it to their solicitor and they will commonly say, I've already provided this. And we have to say, I'm sorry, we have to look at it too. We have to look at it for different reasons. So a lot of work is duplicated. So get that started as soon as possible.
It's a shame, really, that as two industries that work so closely together, that we can't align on things like that. But the laws of the land, I'm afraid, sort of get us to this. This is why both estate agents and solicitors have to do the checks themselves.
Yeah.
But like I say, I do think that the whole thing needs a bit of a shake-up. I've said it for a while, is that, this is what I'm trying to change with sale-ready searches, is get everything prepared up front. But I'm sure there must be a way of merging the two
industries so that we can rely on a lot more information provided.
Definitely. If a state agency was regulated, that may be part of it. I'm not sure, but these things are probably way above my sort of payroll.
It's been around for numerous years. I mean, the old hit packs 20 years ago, where it's all about upfront information. So
definitely.